These work-from-home jobs are hiring beginners, and at least one of them will train you. Let's get into them. So let's see, I think I'll start off with the work-from-home job with the company SkyGen. They have an opening for a customer care representative level 2. It is a level 2 opportunity, but this is very beginner friendly. It's full-time remote anywhere within the United States. I did not see any location restrictions. And they'll train you. So the training schedule will be 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday Central Time Zone hours for your first 12 weeks. And you don't have to live in the Central Time Zone. Translate your local hours to those hours. This company operates from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Central Time Monday through Friday. So your shift will be within those hours, and they expect you to be somewhat flexible to change your shift based on business needs. And they tell us they'll give you a $2 per hour differential on Monday and Tuesday. And during Medicare open enrollment period, which runs from October through March, you may work occasional evenings, weekends, and holidays. Now they do tell us it's preferred but not required. It's preferred you have experience with dental or health insurance for this position. So this is a customer service job where you do a lot of problem solving. You take inbound calls from customers with any questions they have regarding dental and vision insurance, and those questions are regarding eligibility, benefit coverage, authorizations, claims, and assisting those customers with locating a provider in their area. So that's the bulk of what you're going to do in this position. They have more details. If interested, read through the details. So if you have a high school diploma or equivalent and a little bit of customer service experience in healthcare, call center, banking, or retail, you're comfortable using Microsoft Office products, and you're pretty good at doing data entry, check out this opportunity. Now they list some preferred qualifications. They're just preferred. They're not required. They include a year of job-related customer service experience within the dental, vision, or medical industry, previous experience working in a virtual environment, and an understanding of dental, vision, and or medical insurance terminology. And again, those preferences are just preferred, not required. And as far as the salary on the job description, they tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $16.42 up to $24.63 per hour. So another beginner-friendly work-from-home job I'm sharing is with the company Concept Plus. So this job is for a help desk specialist. It's full-time remote anywhere within the United States. No location restrictions anywhere on this job description that I could see. And what you do is deliver Tier 1 support for the Warfighting Acquisition University's online learning ecosystem. This position assists in larger user community by providing guidance on system navigation, resolving technical challenges, and supporting account and course-related needs across the WarU learning management system and its connected tools. So what all that means is you'll deliver responsive, high-quality customer assistance in a fast-paced setting that supports a broad population of learners, instructors, and staff. You'll handle incoming calls, emails, and help desk tickets from users seeking support, and follow up on outstanding issues to ensure timely and complete resolution. So yep, entry-level tech support. It's a good opportunity if you're a good communicator, you have solid computer proficiency, and you're comfortable navigating technical issues. You have experience in help desk, customer service, call center, or similar support environments. Email support experience is beneficial. You're familiar with Microsoft Office products. You have an associate's degree or higher. It would help if you have prior customer service experience, but that's not a requirement. You're familiar with service management tools such as ServiceNow, and you can meet eligibility requirements to obtain public trust clearance. Now, they're not sharing the salary anywhere on this job description, nor did I see it on the application, but based on my experience looking at similar roles, I have a feeling this job could pay anywhere from about, I'm going to say $18 to maybe $20 per hour, but I can't guarantee that salary. You'll have to work it out with them. So the third job I have is for an operations support analyst with the company Acela, or maybe it's pronounced Axela. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It is a contractor role, so that means you more than likely will not get benefits and they're not going to do your tax withholding. But it is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States. Now it is a 6-month contract, but I have no idea when it starts, when it ends, or if it will extend beyond the 6 months. So what you're going to do is monitor and triage email delivery issues reported through Salesforce support cases related to public portal notifications. You'll use SendGrid administrative tools to look up blocked email addresses, identify the cause, and unblock when appropriate. You'll update Salesforce cases with resolution notes and confirmation of action taken, communicate with support engineers and customers through case comments, track recurring patterns in email delivery failures, and flag systemic issues to support leadership. leadership, maintain a simple log of unblock actions for reporting and trend analysis, while meeting defined service level targets for case response and resolution. So if you have a little bit of experience in customer service, email admin, IT help desk, or tech support, and you're comfortable navigating web-based administrative dashboards and tools, this job has your name on it. Now, of course, you need strong attention to detail, follow-through, and communication skills, as well as a reliable internet connection, and you're able to work standard U.S. business hours. And I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the job description because they tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $20 to $25 per hour. So hopefully one of these work from home jobs works out for you. And if you're looking for more easy work from home jobs, you can find some in this video right here. And if you're looking for a part-time remote job, you can find some on my other channel, Cat Scans Remote Jobs. There I shared a nice variety of part-time opportunities available right now. So thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.